Welcome to the Petcover Business Insurance podcast, where we're here to help business owners like you understand the risks you face and how to protect your business. I'm Natalie, and today I'm joined by one of our pet business insurance specialists, Jamie, and we're talking about something that affects more people than you might think, underinsurance. Jamie, thank you for being here.
Thank you, Natalie. It's a pleasure to be here.
So Jamie, underinsurance, what is it and why is it such a big problem?
Well, did you know that over 50% of insured people are underinsured? That means they either don't have the right coverage amounts or they're missing key risks that could leave them exposed.
50%? That seems like a lot. How does that happen?
It can happen for a range of reasons, but the main time it happens is when someone is starting their business. If you're starting a pet grooming or dog walking business, this could be you. Starting a new business is exciting, but it's also full of unknowns. Most new business owners turn to the simple online insurance websites such as Petcover to get their insurance. It's quick, it's easy, and let's be honest, most of us look for the cheapest option. But here's the problem. The cheapest option isn't always the right one.
Going for the cheapest option can cause a range of problems. Insurance is there to protect you when things go wrong. A dog in a pet sitter's care could run off and get injured, or a client could slip and fall at a grooming salon. If their policy doesn't fully cover these risks, they could end up paying tens of thousands out of pocket. But do the risks stop there?
So underinsurance doesn't just stop with the basics. It can mean you're not covered for stolen or damaged stock, leaving you unable to replace expensive grooming equipment or pet supplies. It can also mean you're responsible for costly vet bills if a pet in your care gets injured or falls ill. Worse, if you face legal action due to an incident, inadequate insurance might not cover the full cost, putting your entire business at risk. If a business owner is a sole trader, this can result in their personal assets, such as the family home, needing to be sold to cover the cost.
So it's easy to assume that some insurance is enough, but gaps in your coverage can leave you financially vulnerable when you need the protection the most.
That is exactly right. This is exactly why we at Petcover Business Insurance offer a free risk audit for business owners. We'll take a look at your coverage, identify gaps, and make sure you have the right protection in place. This isn't about selling you the most expensive policy. It's about making sure your business is covered by the right policies at the right costs.
A free risk audit for business owners? That's a great idea. How does it work?
We recently conducted a risk audit for a dog walker. After reviewing their policy, we found that they were underinsured in two critical areas: public liability and professional indemnity. Public liability covers claims if a customer, supplier, or member of the public is injured or has their property damaged due to your business activities. Professional indemnity, on the other hand, protects you if a client suffers financial loss due to professional advice or services you provide. Without the right coverage amounts, the dog walker was at risk of paying massive out-of-pocket costs in the event of a claim. We went to market and found them a highly comprehensive policy that covered all their risks. The best part, it was 20% cheaper than what they were already paying.
Let me get this right. You found a better policy that made sure they were not underinsured and saved them money. How?
That's what a great insurance broker does. An insurance broker works for you, not the insurance company. It's our job to find you the best product at the best price. At Petcover Business Insurance, our role as a broker isn't just about finding you the cheapest product on the market. It's about ensuring you have the coverage for all the necessary risks and placing your insurance with providers that not only offer comprehensive and affordable policies, but also have quick, efficient claims processes.
That is a good point. An insurance broker's role just doesn't stop at finding you insurance. They can also help you when it comes time to claiming.
Absolutely. It is really important that you keep helping your clients with all of their insurance needs, not just sell them a policy. A client we assisted recently had to make a few claims and they were feeling a bit overwhelmed. They were unsure how to fill out the necessary forms correctly, which could have delayed their payout. We stepped in to help, ensuring all paperwork was completed properly, submitted all required information, and dealt directly with the insurer on their behalf. As a result, the claim was processed quickly and the client received their payout in record time.
That is a fantastic outcome for your client. Thank you for joining me today, Jamie, to talk about underinsurance and the free risk audits that you conduct. Before we finish up, is there anything else that you would like to add?
Yeah, so with a free risk audit, You'll know exactly what risks your business faces and whether your insurance is protecting you. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that if something unexpected happens, you're fully covered. And the best part about our risk audits, they are free. Thank you for having me, Natalie. I look forward to chatting with you next time.
If you're starting a pet-related business, or even if you've been running one for a while, it's time to check you're properly insured. Call one of our business specialists today on 1300 731 324 to book your free risk audit. It's free, it's easy, and it could save you thousands down the line. Don't leave your business exposed. Take action today. Call 1300 731 324 and let's make sure you're covered. Thanks for listening to the Petcover Business Insurance podcast.